lovely people of YouTube, my name is Hannah and I'm part of the Expert Zone UK and I team working with Microsoft. Now you may have heard the news that we have introduced some new members to the Surface family and I'm here today to unbox one of them, the Surface Pro 9 with 5G. So get yourself comfy and prepare yourself for what's in the box. First though, let's roll some titles. So here it is, the Surface Pro 9 with 5G. This is the 16GB 256 SSD version of the device, but you can also get this device with 128 or 512 SSD and in both 8GB or 16GB of RAM options. It's important to note I'm currently unboxing the Pro 9 with 5G capabilities, which has a different specification to the Pro 9 without 5G. But if you'd like to check out more about the Pro 9 without 5G, then check out this handy link in the description below. So let's actually get into this box. As you can see on top here is our lovely sleek looking Pro 9. But I'm just going to set this to one side so we can see what comes with this device. Up here we have our warranty information and how-tos with all that lovely stuff. But in here you can also get a handy SIM card access tool so that you can easily access the SIM card tray. Down here is our Surface charger, which as always comes with its unique magnetic port. This is a great time to mention that the Surface Pro 9 with 5G comes with up to 19 hours of battery life, which is almost 4 hours more than the Pro 9 without 5G. Want to find out more about why that is? Check out our Surface Pro 9 overview video, which will be linked in the description box below as soon as it's released. Alright, so that's what's in the box, but let's bring back this device and take a good look at it. The first thing to notice is just how sleek and premium the platinum aluminium finish is. The Surface Pro 9 is all about giving you everything you need to move through your day while staying connected thanks to its 5G capabilities. And you can really feel the portability with the device as soon as you pick it up. It's incredibly lightweight, weighing only 878 grams, which means that I can take this on the go with me wherever I want without feeling weighed down. It also comes with a built-in kickstand right here on the back, so I can angle the device however I need and work how I want, where I want. Underneath the kickstand here is also the removable SSD and where you would pop your SIM card. Flipping the device onto its sides, we can see here is the Surface charging port, as well as two USB-C ports. You can find the power and volume on the top here as well. And on the bottom here is the Surface type cover port, which is where you can attach your Surface Pro signature keyboard. And finally, let's see the front of this device. Here is the virtually edge-to-edge 13-inch Gorilla Glass Pixel Sense Flow display, with a dynamic refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. It's fully touchscreen, with a 10-point multi-touch and supports tactile signals with the Surface Slim Pen 2. Up here is the front-facing 1080p Full HD camera alongside the dual far-field studio microphones. There is also a 10-megapixel rear-facing autofocus camera with 1080p HD and 4K video. So there we have it, our brand new member of the Surface Pro family, the Surface Pro 9 with 5G. I hope you've enjoyed this video and stick around for a more in-depth overview where we really dive into the nitty-gritty details of this device coming soon. For now though, that's all from me and I'll see you soon. Bye!